In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can solve checking info problem on Google Play Store. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to go to your phone settings, go to app management, click on app list. Now search for Google Play Services. Once you have found it, click on it and then go to storage and cache. From here, all you have to do is to first click on this clear cache option and then click on clear storage. Once you have done that, go back and then click on Google Play Store and follow the same procedure. Go to storage and click on clear cache and clear storage. And once you have done that, your problem will be solved. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.